Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Yay, it's your girl Mara here again. So if this is your first time watching my video, you're welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for checking out your girl again. So please, if you're not subscribed to this channel, yes, please do also subscribe. I beg of you. All right, I beg of you, just do well to hit the subscribe button, like this video, share it. It might be useful to a lot of people, a lot of girls out there. You can never tell. Okay, so please just hit the subscribe button and make sure to like, and also you can turn on the notification bell, okay, so that whenever I make or post any video, you'll be the first to see. Definitely should. All right, so I know that I've been a little bit, I've been kind of laid back here. I haven't been so consistent with content here, but trust me, a lot has been happening to me. I should be vlogging more, but a lot has been going on behind the camera, guys. A lot, but trust me, your girl is gonna be up here and up and doing better soon. So I know that you guys, a lot of you already know the reason why I'm making this video, of course, from the title, right? So drum rolls. Today, game over. It is game over for menstrual pain. It is game over for cramps, for menstrual cramps, guys. Game over. Let's get right into it. So a friend of mine introduced me to this trick, using Guinness. Yeah, using Guinness Stout as a remedy for menstrual cramp. Trust me, guys, menstrual pain, menstrual cramp is normal. Medically, it is normal. Okay, so normal in the sense that when you experience cramps or pains, when you are seeing your period, your monthly period, it is definitely normal and natural, right? But what is abnormal about it is when the pain is the excessiveness of this pain, that is when it gets abnormal. So trust me, that is why this video is here. This video is going to give you one of the tricks. Of course, there are so many tricks out there on the internet, the faces of Facebook, Google, everywhere, where you can get tips, natural tips, and of course artificial tips or remedies to menstrual cramp. So I am here with one, and trust me, this one is a banger. It worked for me. Well, quick disclaimer, guys, I am not a gynecologist, right? And I'm not a medical practitioner of any sort too, but everything I share on my channel, like if you've seen my introduction video, I don't know if that introduction video we make it up here on YouTube before this one, but whichever, just do well to check my channel out, right? So you know that in this channel, like I was saying, we share ideas. I like to go all out to discover new things. That is partly why this channel is here, apart from vlogging, food, and every other things that we share here, that I share here rather. I'm saying we, like
what we are we is me and then my whole creativeness.
yeah, guys, so as I was saying, so this video falls under the discovery aspect of this channel. So I discovered this somehow through a friend, and I tried it and it worked for me. It worked, guys, and I'm here to tell you guys it worked for me. I don't know if it will work for you. I don't know. Something is that our body differs, right? So I wouldn't really say, just like I said earlier, I'm not a gynecologist, and there's no guarantee whatsoever that it is going to work for you just as it did work for me. But I feel like if you try it out, if you follow these steps, it might work for you, right? What's this? So I'm shooting directly under the sun, and it feels really good. No light, no artificial light. Yeah, guys, so yep, that is it. And I know that some people will say they don't take alcohol. I don't take alcohol. I don't take alcohol either. But for the sake of trying out this remedy, I had to take alcohol. I had to take alcohol. The thing is that I don't get why people take alcohol, because it is so bitter, and they take it and they enjoy it. I'm like, how? It was actually a struggle taking this, but the after effect of it made me feel like, oh fine, it was worth it. But trust me, if you don't take alcohol, or if you can't stand alcohol, if you can't stand the taste of alcohol, maybe your head is too light for alcohol, please don't try this remedy. Okay, please don't try this remedy, and do well to also consult your doctor if you don't mind before you try this, right? So guys, this is it. This is I just have half remaining here, and if you guys can see, because I had used part of this. So you can use this twice or even 3 times, depending on how much you can consume, right? So I've used this once. This is remaining now. I'm going to use this now for the sake of this video, right? So let's get right into it. And like I said, menstrual pain is not abnormal. Trust me guys, it's not abnormal. It's just the excess of it that is abnormal. And for someone like me, most some natural remedies haven't really worked for me. I've always resorted to artificial remedies like pills and all of that. But you know that pills, taking pills, excess of it is not good. It can cause some harm to your uterus, to your womb, and all of that. So it's better you avoid. And then excess of this too is a problem. So yeah, ensure not to take excess of it. And it is good, you should take this if you monitor your period and you track your period. You know what day your period is going to come out, so you can take this a day before your period comes out, right? And then when your period come out, you can still take it, just depending on how far you can go. For me, I took this when my period already came out, and I prefer to take mine at night, right? Because it also helps me relax, to sleep well. If you take it in the morning and you don't have such a strong head for alcohol, you might experience drowsiness and all of that. So, and you might not really want that for yourself. But guys, before we continue, are you subscribed yet? Have you liked this video? Before I share how exactly you can use this, I've already said that if you can track your period, it is also, in fact, it's best you try this out before the period comes out, because it's gonna kind of help push it out. But then if you don't track your period, it's also okay to start taking it during your period, right? You can start taking it during your period. Trust me, this worked so much wonders for me, and I'm like, where have I been? Although it is very bitter, I'm going to say that too, it is very bitter. But if you can bear and have this, it might help you just as it did help me. So let's get right into it. Let me show you guys how I get this prepared, and how you can enjoy it. Let's go guys. I'd also love to say this, okay? Part of what causes menstrual pain is like having excessiveness of sugary substances in your system. So just monitor your period. 1 week to your period, you can start doing more of fruits and vegetables and reduce your sugar intake, and most especially during the days of your period, reduce sugar intakes, because it's this clot of blood in the system that causes this pain. Okay, that's what causes the pain. So, and it is highly heightened when your body has so much sugary substances in it. So please, you might want to consider that, okay? And also take more of warm stuff. If you're used to taking cold water, it's good. I'm not saying you shouldn't, but during your period you should also try reducing it, right? So that less pains. I'm telling you from a fact, like I've tried this severally when I've had months where my period is coming, and I try to do well or eat more fruits and reduce my sugar intakes, and I find out that woo, oh my god, my period just comes with so much ease. But any month that I'm a bit laid back and I'm just eating anything I want, when the period comes, it's always like a struggle. So you might also consider that. This is not like a total how do I put it now, it's not like a total solution. It's just going to help subside the pain as it comes. And sometimes if you take it, if you're lucky enough and you take it before your period starts, you might not even need to repeat it or take it again till your period finishes. But if you're someone like me that have that intense and severe cramp, you might need to take this to keep taking it, maybe 2 days interval. If you let's assume your period lasts for 5 days, you might take this the first day at night, right? You can take it the third day at night, and then the fifth day too at night. It just helps clean the system while you avoid sugary stuff and things that can irritate your system and cause further pain, right? So guys, let's go ahead and get this mixed. I already have my glass cup here, and I have my drink, so my Guinness extra stout. Yes guys, I wanted to say this, and the bottle Guinness is always better, trust me, it's always better. I tried the canned Guinness, I don't know, for whatever reason, even minerals, like, you know, this one, just the bottle one just happens to be better. I don't know, for whatever reason, or maybe it's just my mind. But if you can't get this, you can as well make use of the canned Guinness. But if you can get this, trust me, this is a better choice. So I'm just going to pour this here. Okay, like I said, I had used a part of it before yesterday, so finished. So there's also something that goes in, I didn't mention it, but of course we're going to get to this part where I talk about it. It's salt. So I'm going to be adding a pinch of salt. Can you see? Salt. So I'm going to be adding a pinch, not so much, depending on the quantity. There is actually no particular measurement to this. From what I've been trying, there is particularly no measurement, but just depending on the quantity of Guinness that you have. So for this quantity, this should do. Let me show you guys. So I feel like this is like half teaspoon. It's not even up to half. It's not up to half, right? Let's say half of this teaspoon and into half again, right? So I just put it here. It's in, and I stir very well. I just stir it. Guys, and you're good to go. You can take this, trust me when I said it, you can take this in the morning. But if you're the type that you're always crampy in the morning, or you don't, you know, that alcohol gets you dizzy or drowsy fast or something, please just consider taking it at night, all right, so that you can avoid the stress of having to feel that way when you're going to work or anything. So guys, and you're good to go. So a glass of this, if you can't take this much, you can take just half of it, okay? But small, as little as it is, it works wonders. It worked for me, so I'm trusting and hoping to work for you. So if you have tried this remedy, guys, leave a comment. Let me see. If you're going to try it, let me see too. Let me see your comments. If you're not going to try it, I also want to see. Let me know what your fears is or are. If it's the fear of alcohol, I have that fear as well, but I tried because of course your girl is tired of taking tabs and all of that. I just wanted something more natural, and this came in handy. All right, so guys, this is bitter. It's almost late here. It's almost 6 p.m. No, I think about 5 p.m. also. Yeah, so I'm going to try and take this because I'm not even going anywhere again. If only you can bear, trust me, if you can bear it, it is definitely a tick for me for menstrual cramp. All right guys, thank you. If you watch this video to the end, thank you. Try out this and let me know what you think. But like I said, you might want to consult your gynecologist or a medical practitioner before you try this, okay? Don't take my word for it. And if you tried it and it worked for you, please do come back to this channel to leave a comment. All right, I want to hear your reviews. And if you have other remedies to menstrual pain, menstrual cramp, please please do well to leave a comment in the comment section. It might be very useful to a lot of people. This is something that we women struggle with every single month, right? So please, a lot of people look out for information like this, because of course it comes in handy and it helps us to stay sane, because the pains of menstrual flow can be intense and can drain you mentally. It happens to me, so a lot of people might need it, right? So please guys, drop a comment, like this video, share, and do well to subscribe. I wanted to do like a little vlog today as well, but I don't think there's anything to vlog about. I'm working on something I wanted to really share with you guys, but I think it's not matured yet, so I don't want to share it yet. But once it matures, I'm going to come on here and share with you guys, right? So please try this remedy. Let me know what you think. Let me know if it works for you. And yeah, so maybe I can just dance for you guys a little bit. Maybe I'm such a bad dancer after all. All right guys, bye bye. Thank you for watching. I love you. See you next time.